Carbon black. More than just a color. Carbon black. You might think of printer toner or maybe the blackest paint imaginable. But this seemingly simple substance is far more complex and crucial than you realize. It's a fundamental ingredient in countless everyday products. From the tires on your car to the plastics in your phone, carbon black is everywhere. Carbon black is a fine particulate form of elemental carbon. It's produced by the incomplete combustion of heavy petroleum products. Think of it as controlled soot. But unlike the soot from a fireplace, carbon black is manufactured to precise specifications. These specifications dictate particle size, structure, and surface chemistry. These properties determine its performance in various applications. The most common method of production is the oil furnace process. Heavy oil feedstock is sprayed into a hot combustion zone. Here, it undergoes pyrolysis, a thermal decomposition in the absence of sufficient oxygen. This process creates carbon black particles. These particles are then cooled, collected, and processed. The final product is a fine black powder ready for use. Carbon black possesses several key properties that make it invaluable. Its primary function is reinforcement. It significantly enhances the strength and durability of materials. It also provides UV protection and electrical conductivity. The particle size is crucial. Smaller particles offer better reinforcement, but can be more difficult to disperse. The structure refers to the degree of particle aggregation. Higher structure leads to increased viscosity and electrical conductivity. Surface chemistry affects the interaction with other materials. Oxidation can improve dispersion and adhesion. The largest application of carbon black is in the rubber industry. It's a critical component in tires, hoses, and belts. In tires, carbon black dramatically improves wear resistance and tear strength. It extends the lifespan of the tire and enhances safety. Different types of carbon black are used in different parts of the tire. The tread uses high structure grades for optimal grip. The sidewall uses grades that provide flexibility and resistance to cracking. This ensures the tire can withstand the stresses of driving. Beyond rubber, carbon black is a widely used pigment. It provides deep black color in plastics, coatings, and inks. Its light-absorbing properties also make it an effective UV stabilizer. It protects polymers from degradation caused by sunlight. This is particularly important in outdoor applications. Carbon black helps prevent fading, cracking, and discoloration. Certain types of carbon black exhibit excellent electrical conductivity. This makes them useful in anti-static and conductive plastics. They are used in electronic components, packaging, and flooring. This prevents the buildup of static electricity. This is crucial in environments where static discharge could be dangerous. Think of hospitals, clean rooms, and explosive atmospheres. The versatility of carbon black extends to many other niche applications. It's used in batteries, fuel cells, and even some medical devices. In batteries, it enhances the conductivity of electrodes. This improves battery performance and lifespan. In fuel cells, it acts as a catalyst support. This increases the efficiency of the electrochemical reactions. Like any industrial material, carbon black requires careful handling. Inhalation of fine particles can cause respiratory irritation. However, modern manufacturing processes and safety measures minimize these risks. Workers are typically equipped with respirators and protective clothing. The International Agency for Research on Cancer (IARC) has classified carbon black as possibly carcinogenic to humans. Group 2B. This classification is based on studies of workers exposed to high levels of carbon black dust. However, the risks associated with consumer products containing carbon black are considered to be very low. The carbon black is typically bound within a matrix, preventing inhalation. The demand for carbon black continues to grow. This is driven by the increasing production of tires and plastics. Research is focused on developing more sustainable production methods. This includes using bio-based feedstocks and reducing emissions. New applications are also being explored. This includes using carbon black in energy storage and advanced materials. Carbon black is a seemingly simple material with a profound impact. It enhances the performance and durability of countless products. From the tires that keep us moving to the plastics that shape our world, carbon black is an essential ingredient. Its unique properties make it indispensable in a wide range of industries. So the next time you see something black, remember the unseen ingredient that makes it possible: carbon black. It's more than just a color, it's a material that shapes our world.